Hey, what's up, guys? KJ here from kjrocker.com, and today I wanted to do a video and introduce you to one of my favorite tools and a tool I have been using. It is the Optimizer. It is an optimization tool for native pop and display traffic. Pretty awesome stuff. I came to know about this, I think, a year ago, and I recently tried it, and it works amazingly well. So first of all, yeah, it works with all major native networks. If we talk about Outbrain, Taboola, Rev Content, MGID, AdsKeeper, Run Native, content.ad, and also in terms of mobile or pop or push traffic, it works with Propeller ads, Rich Push, Zero Pop, Pop ads, Pop Cache, and all the top pop and push advertising networks. And then with all the trackers, almost every tracker is covered by the Optimizer. Yeah, and the tool which I'm going to test or show is about push and pop traffic. They have different tool sets for native, for pop and push and display. So yeah, so first of all, let's try to understand how it actually works. So let's imagine this is your pop or push network. Okay, straight line. Yeah, okay. And let me just put it down a bit. Sorry guys, I'm not good at drawing properly. So yeah, that's why you can see this. But anyways, so and you have publishers, different publishers, or widget IDs or zone IDs or whatever you call them. Now let's say you spent $1 on this one you spent 0, on this one you spent 15, on this publisher 4 you spent 5, publisher 5 you spent $1. So overall, if you look at it, you almost $20, $21, $22. And out of those, only these converted. Whatever the number of conversions is, and these are the ones. For example, if you spent $1 on this, you made maybe 2, 3 or whatever, and on this one you spent 5, and maybe you made $6 or whatever. So on these you lost your money. So now what happens? So the problem is on pop or push traffic, it's really hard to optimize each and every widget ID, so publisher ID or whatever, because there are tons of them, and if you do it in Excel sheets, that takes long time, and most of times you can't do it in real time. That's where this optimizer comes in. So here's the screen. As you can see, some of this is like kind of my test. It shows you cost and everything. By the way, it's showing negative because I think in one of the campaigns I didn't connect the tracker which I was using, so that's why. But anyways, so this is how it looks like. It gives you an idea about all your traffic sources, how they're performing and everything. Of course, I'm going to blur my details, my campaign names and everything, but it kind of gives you what kind of ROI you are getting, and yeah, where you are losing money. The best thing about it is it actually points out where you're losing money and where you are making money. So yeah, that's the good thing about it. Now let's talk about the actual before we actually move there, let's talk about how to make it work. So you go to account wizard, there you select traffic source. Now you're going to add one of these traffic sources. For example, here we have Pushground, Adstera, Evadev, Active Revenue, Rich Push, RTX Pops, Hilltops Ads, ClickAdoo, ExoClick, Pop Ads, Propeller, PlugRush, ZeroPark, Pop Cache. So these are the networks, advertising networks it worked with. And then once you select a traffic source, for example, let's do ClickAdoo here, then you're going to add your tracking platform, whatever the tracker you choose, and you connect them. Now what will happen is it will collect all the data and match it from your traffic source to your tracker. It will match it up and churn out, bring out results. Now this is where the actual magic happens, rules. So how do these rules work? Now, in here, it can pause campaigns based on whatever rules you set. It can activate campaigns based on the rules you set. Change campaign bid, that is really important. Change campaign budget, that is really important. Unblock publishers, block publishers, change publisher bid, activate creatives, pause creatives, activate source, pause source, then activate RTX pops channels, pause channels, activate domain, pause domain, activate sub ID, pause sub ID, and then departing. It really depends. These features depend on from network to network, but this is the main thing. For example, let's say change campaign bid, or actually change publisher bid. Okay, whatever. So let's say test. So what I'll do is now you'll have to choose the data from how long you want it. I'd usually do it from today, and then if tracker clicks, if your tracker conversions, these are the conditions you can put, and then based on that you can pause campaign or whatever. For example, if I don't want to lose any money, what I can do is if tracker ROI is less than 1%, actually let's make it 1%, add, and I don't want this, then it will simply pause the campaign or change it will change the campaign bid, it will lower it or something, and then you have to select the campaigns which you want to apply these changes to, and then country, if you want to choose a specific country, and then you want to see on what when you want to run this rule, every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, every hour, daily or weekly. Okay, apart from this rule, there are other rules as well. These rules are the main thing. Like you want to block publishers and everything. Now here's the thing, when you're running push pop and this massive volume and you can't block publishers on time. For example, if I want to block a publisher, let's say traffic source spent is more than is greater than or equal to my payout. Let's say my payout is $5, and now I'd block a publisher who has spent more than $5, which is my payout, and the conversion there is less, there is less than 1 conversions, and I have spent more than $5, greater than or equal to $5, it will automatically block that publisher. Or I can just put ROI here as well if I want to go with ROI and everything, tracker profit. So you can add multiple things. So that's what this tool is about, and that's what's amazing about it, because there are not many networks which allow you to optimize your campaign. They have built-in optimizers. So this is the tool you really need to succeed, and it really helps you out. It really takes out all the effort, all the labor you need to put in to maintaining your campaigns and to running your campaigns. So yeah, all right. So that was all about the optimizer. It's really awesome tool which can really help you out to optimize your native, pop, push, or display campaigns. And I have a special discount for you if you buy it through if you need it, let me know. It actually gives you 40% off on your first payment and 15% off on all other recurring payments. So yeah, you can save tons of money. Just if you need the code or the coupon, just let me know and I'll send it over to you. And yeah, that's it for now. See you later. Bye bye.